Children, now we are going to learn about electrochemical extraction of aluminium, that is Herold process. Aluminium extraction by electrochemical process is also based on, already we have learned in electrochemical principle of metallurgy. Here ore is taken for electrolysis. Electrolysis means what? Lysis means splitting, electro means current. When current is passed, electrolyte gets splitted. That is electrolyte which is in molten state. So mainly for electrolysis we require anode, cathode, electrolyte. So generally a symbol diagram for this is electrolytic vessel, electrolyte, anode and cathode. So in Herold process we have taken an iron tank lined with the carbon which act as cathode. Then anode rods, carbon rods which act as anode. So anode is the carbon block, cathode is the iron tank lined with the carbon. Electrolyte is 20% alumina which is obtained from the bauxite ore mixed with molten cryolite, and 10% calcium chloride is added to lower the melting point of the mixture. Then this is kept in the electrolytic tank and with the temperature of 1000 to 70 Kelvin. So the chemical reactions involved in this process are ionization of alumina, Al2O3, giving Al3 plus ions and O2 minus ions. Now cathode, anode, different type of reaction takes place. At cathode, what is the reaction takes place at cathode? So at cathode, this Al3 plus ions can accept 3 electrons to form aluminium metal. Since here 2 Al3 plus accepting 6 electrons forming aluminium solid. Now at anode, O2 minus means oxygen is evolved. O2 minus, if it is 2O2 means oxygen is evolved. Since 3O2 minus means anode, at anode, that is 6O2 minus melt to forming 3O2 plus 12 electrons are released. Here 12 electrons released, but here only 6 electrons we got. So to balance this one, we have to multiply this with 2. So here we are getting 2, 4 Al3 plus 12 electron giving 2 Al. Anode, this is the cathode reaction, this is the anode reaction. Similarly in anode, 2 more reactions takes place at carbon rods. The reaction taking place in carbon rods. It is carbon, O2 minus melt forming carbon monoxide, 2 electron released. Similarly carbon, when it is evolving 2 more oxygen forming carbon dioxide plus 4 electron released. So combining all these reactions, at last we are getting a final reaction 4 Al3 plus 6 O2 minus giving plus 3C giving 4 Al plus 3 CO2. This is the final reaction taking place. So the aluminium is formed at the cathode, which settles at the bottom. So the net electrolysis reaction is like this: 4Al3 plus 6O2 minus plus 3 carbon giving 4Al plus 3 CO2.